Sugar provides the body with energy in the form of glucose, which is an important source of fuel for our cells. However, excessive consumption of sugar can lead to several negative health effects, including increased risk of obesity and type 2 diabetes. Sugar is high in calories and can contribute to weight gain when consumed in excess, which can increase the risk of type 2 diabetes. Tooth decay. Sugar is a major contributor to tooth decay because bacteria in the mouth ferment the sugar and produce acid that attacks tooth enamel. Chronic inflammation. Consuming a high-sugar diet has been linked to an increase in systemic inflammation, which is associated with several chronic diseases, including cardiovascular disease, cancer, and Alzheimer's disease. Altered metabolism. Consuming excessive amounts of sugar can disrupt the delicate balance of hormones that regulate metabolism and energy storage in the body. In summary, consuming sugar in moderation as part of a balanced diet